Hi, it's Emily from WTI. Who doesn't love having fresh herbs in the kitchen? I know I do, and these plant pots from the PASENITY boutique have perfectly fit the bill. Now, my husband has this very big workspace in his kitchen, and he wants to have access to fresh herbs. He does most of the cooking, but he doesn't want to give up any space on his countertop. So we decided to use these little 3.5-inch plant pots to keep fresh herbs nearby without taking up a ton of space or footprint. I love the modern masculine design. It works really well with the decor in this kitchen. They are hand painted, which is so much nicer than plant pots that have like sticker decals because these will hold up a lot longer. And they are made out of cement. They're super strong. They're actually like perfectly designed for succulents, things that don't need a lot of watering. So just keep that in mind not to overwater your plants with these cement pots. One thing I really loved about these plant pots is not only do they have drainage holes pre-drilled, but they came with these really cute little black plastic mesh inserts to keep your soil from coming out the bottom of your pot when you plant it up. I think this set of 3 pots is a really great value. They are so adorable and they would make the cutest gifts as well. This set of 3 mini concrete planters from the PASENITY boutique work perfectly for exactly what we needed. Fresh herbs in our kitchen, easy access with a nice, neutral, modern decor look to match this kitchen. I love them and I think you will too, but that's just my point of view.